Okay, there is no easier way to install a remote starter on these vehicles, unless, of course, you pay someone to do it. At the lower left of your driver's side dash, you'll see the vehicle's OBD2 connector. Plugged into the rear of it is the vehicle's gateway connector. Reach up behind the OBD2 connector and unplug the gateway connector. Once you get the vehicle's gateway connector unplugged, plug it into the corresponding female plug on the T-harness, and then replace the vehicle's gateway plug with the plug from the T-harness. You're now ready to activate the system. System activation. Okay, this is going to be easy. First, plug the T-harness's blue plug into the corresponding blue plug on the remote starter module. This is the only plug on the module you are going to need to use. After plugging in the blue plug, the LED on the module will turn on solid red, indicating that the module has activated and is now ready for some quick programming. You're going to need one key fob within operating distance of the vehicle. Okay, make sure not to step on the vehicle's brake pedal during the programming procedure. Now press and release your vehicle's push-to-start button one time to just turn the ignition on. In response, the LED on the remote starter module will go from flashing green to a solid green for 3 seconds, then turn off. After the solid green LED turns off, press and release your vehicle's push-to-start button to turn the ignition off. That's it. The system is now programmed to your vehicle, and it's time to test remote start activation. Testing remote start activation. First, close all the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle's doors by remote and wait for at least 10 seconds before testing. Now press and release the lock button on your remote 3 times. Not too fast, but within 4 seconds. Once the vehicle remote starts, let it test run for at least a minute. Then you can shut it down the same way you activated it or by stepping on the vehicle's brake pedal. All right, you're all set. Button it up. Use the zip ties included with the system to secure the harness and the module up under the dash. Stay warm or cool down and enjoy the luxuries of having a remote starter installed on your vehicle that you did yourself.